Hello beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. I'm Nella, for those of you who don't know, and in today's video we outside again, and we're gonna be outside again and again and again and again and again for the summer. But today we're going on a different type of an adventure. We are going on a hike, but it's not a regular schmegular hike. No, it is a hike with puppies. Yes, as you can see, I don't have a puppy in here with me, but you know, I'm gonna borrow a dog and I'm gonna go on the hike, and I'm gonna have my hike with my puppies. So this hike is put on by the Petrepreneurs, and they are doing a canine hiking event where persons who are interested can bring their puppies, their animals with them, and go on a hike outside. It's a great bonding experience for the animals. It's also a great way for pet owners and people who have a love for animals can meet each other and set up puppy play dates and all of that. Now we're heading up to Stony Hill side, up in the hills, to go on this first hike. Now this is a test hike where we're going to see how it works out, the logistics, to see how anything, how everything works out, and then hopefully eventually can expand the hike. And the hike will also be done in Montego Bay, I believe. So it's not just in Kingston, there's going to be one in Montego Bay, so that it's not just those people in the eastern side of the island who get to experience this hike, but those in the west can experience it as well. So if you're interested in seeing how the hike goes, then keep on watching. But before we begin this video, you know what time it is. You know what time it is. It is time to give the shout out to the subscriber of the day. You the best, you the baddest, and I want to thank you for your continued support as this channel continues to grow, as this channel continues to evolve, as this channel continues to develop into what it is, the vision, the dream, and what I have. And I just want to thank you guys, those of you who are rocking with me from day one, those of you who are rocking with me when you found the channel and you enjoy the content, and you guys are amazing, and I appreciate you so much. So without further ado, I'm just gonna head into the video. Alright guys, so I am at the Meetup point, which is in Manor Park, across from that new bus stop beside the gully, which they just developed into this side slant thing. That is where I am waiting for it. But I did not know that down here is where the market moved to, the Content Spring Market I keep down here. Who did know this? It's because most of the Saturdays I'm either at work or doing road. I did not know says down here some market keeping. Anyways, I'm here waiting up. So there are two meeting points in Kingston. There's one in Half-a-Tree and there is one in Manor Park, since it is closer to where the hike is. And for those of us who are closer to Manor Park than going down to Half-a-Tree, so we're in the Manor Park meeting location, and I'm just here sitting out, chilling out in the AC because it's at, and waiting for other persons who are interested and who are part of the hike to arrive. So let's chill, vibes, and then head out to the hike. Alright guys, you know what time it is. Oh, by the way, do you like my little simple, I'm not really wearing makeup, I'm wearing lip gloss, but I still think I look cute. I think I look cute today. Hair done, nails not done, but them clean, and I just think earrings and all of that, and I feel good, and I think it is showing that I feel good. Alright, enough chatting, video time. Why pre? guys, so we have arrived to the start. Here's everybody and their animals. Hi, what's the name of your puppy? Theo. Theo? Oh, let me see. Are you ready for the hike?
Yes.
Excited?
Yes, man.
Great.
Yeah.
Hi guys, so this is Oreo, the biggest and the baddest of them all.
I'm telling you.
Hi Oreo. You're not ready for your close-up? You're not?
No, so the dogs were in this car.
And his owner, Rosemary.
Hi.
Are you ready? Excited for the hike?
I am super excited. Well, the only person more excited than me is him.
Yeah, he's been ready from morning.
Yes.
Ready to go.
What's the doctor?
Oh, hi H's. How are you? I'm
doing
fine.
well.
I don't know how to do this in these corona times. What's the name of your animal?
Oh no, that both belong to Edward. Hello.
Hi Victoria. What's the name of your puppies?
That's Chaz.
Hi Chaz.
And this is Chloe.
Hi Chloe. Chloe's hiding.
Chaz is a little nervous.
Hi Chloe. Are you guys ready for this hike?
Well, I'm not sure, you know.
Excited?
We don't know what we're better off. Oh, watch.
Oh, watch the... Hi.
Hey, how are you, my love?
I'm good. How are you?
Good,
What's the
good.
name of your puppy?
This is Eva.
Hi, Eva. Are you ready for the hike, Eva?
Oh yeah, she's ready.
Are you ready for the hike?
I'm ready. I can't wait. Let's go.
Yes.
All right, where are we going?
I have no idea. This is Jon Snow. Hi, John. Are you ready for your close-up?
Where are we going?
Are you ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain! I'm ready!
I'm so hot. I'm tired. So we have made it to the river where the animals get to have a drink, relax, and we get the shade. It's a lot cooler here. And everybody who's coming behind.
Not everybody wants to be your friend.
Yeah, that's it.
We just stop here. This is nice, you know. Let's just sit on a rock, chill. I'm coming back.
You? All right.
Wait, no, I'm not ready.
Hey, hi.
I don't want to.
Come on, tell me about your doggy. But Apollo deserves his spotlight.
Deserves his spotlight. Hey, John.
He's been on such a good behavior. He's been behaving his best. Victoria, tell me about your
Jack Russell Terrier mix. So this is Chaz.
Hi,
He's
Chaz.
actually a 2-year-old rescue from the JSPCA.
Oh, nice.
He had a brother, but I couldn't get his brother as well, so I got him.
Aww, what happened to his brother?
Nothing. Someone had just adopted him before I got there, which is fine. You know, of course, if he had a brother and I was able to get them both, I would want to keep them together. But he's doing quite well, and he's very, very, very nice.
Yeah, he's very active and he's happy.
Very active and happy. Very spoilt as well.
Well, I mean, he came in a backpack, so
Yes, he did. This is
he's
a
a
backpack.
bit smart. He's a bit spoiled.
Just a bit. But you know, all fair in love and war, I guess.
Oh.
Can I have a cream cracker soup with you? Sure. Just giving everybody dog and I'm hands without for a while.
Sorry about that, Freddie. I want to take two.
After you clean hand, dirty hand to get this thing.
So I think it's been a successful hike. Animals are happy. Owners are happy. You see that puppy you can hear from down here? That puppy that you can hear from down here called Oreo? Energy. No, I think this was the river that we were supposed
We have so many different people from so different walks of life. You know, there's doctors, lawyers, you know, the persons from different walks of life here. So,
And meet some new breeds. I mean, this is the first time I'm meeting a husky.
yeah,
First time ever I've seen a husky.
just want to choose. Yeah, man.
All right, that's good. All right, thank you for that.
Thank you.
No problem. Your pleasure, trust me.
Mocha, where are you going there? She's exploring.
No, that's it. She won't go too far. If I stop walking, she will stop until I come up to her. Or catch up. No, man. She never go too far.
Come here, Mocha, let's roll. You've clearly been following my shoe all this time.
She's just like, oh, I remember.
Guys, I'm tired. We did a lot. We did a lot today. But it was still fun. Everybody's ahead or behind. So, we're doing this thing. Guys, so you completed the first ever canine hike. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
How are you feeling, Oreo?
Oreo's not tired.
You're not tired? Poor thing.
Let's see, because I tracked it here. See how far we went.
Like that, and I'm your old
Hi guys, so you completed the first canine hike. How are you feeling?
2 kilometers, you know. 2? Yeah. Wow.
And you're knackered? And you're tired?
You just finished the first canine hike. How are you guys feeling?
Well, I'm feeling a bit tired, but it was good. The scenery, excellent. It was nice, even though Ollie was having a little issue with the other dogs, but it was good.
Great. Hi Mocha. You just did your first canine hike. How are you guys feeling?
Doing alright.
Doing good. So, first hike complete. How are you feeling?
I did well. I slept 2 hours last night. I did well.
Why are you sleep 2 hours? You're on duty?
I was on call.
Oh, hush, hush. Completed the first canine hike. Feel good? Energized? Had fun, doggies?
I'm sure I did.
Bark once if you had fun. So, you guys completed the first canine hike. How are you feeling?
Awesome.
Awesome.
Could go again.
You should.
Yeah.
And to our awesome guide. Hi. Shout out yourself, promote yourself.
This is Aaron Binns, owner of AJB Kennels and charity. I don't really have a page. Yes, I have an Instagram page. It is we all care about dogs, so you can go ahead and follow me. I don't sell dogs. I only like give away stray dogs. So if you want a stray dog, they're beautiful. I can give you any amount you want.
Okay, guys, remember to follow him. Extra work. Okay. Yeah. To the first canine hike. How you doing?
Hello.
You feel like you just won the lottery?
Sure. Well, not lottery. I'm kind of tired now. It was fun.
How you feeling, Zane? Enjoyed it? Excited? Energized? Ready to go back? I guess he's shy. So that's it for the first ever canine hike. Goodbye from me and Rhaegar. Thanks for watching. Peace.